That cooking is cool again.
It is.
Certainly
Well,
it has never been out of cool with you.
No.
You love it.
Yeah, it's not just for the adults either. There's a new generation of mini chefs have been born. Jade Robin discovered that they are wiping up a feast.
If the lineup at the door is anything to go by, entrance into this suburban Melbourne shop is the hottest ticket in town.
Come in, guys, put our aprons on.
Everything is tiny in here, tiny aprons to tiny chef hats. It's called Gourmet Kids, and as the name suggests, it's a place for young tots to come in and have a bit of fun with food. It looks like a recipe for chaos, but underneath the flour, dirty hands and faces are some pretty good budding cooks.
Hey Ben, so what are we making? Pizza. Do you love pizza?
Yes, I made it a couple times.
The kids are part of a growing number signing up for the latest craze, cooking classes.
So this is Ben's first time here. He obviously loves cooking.
Yeah, so he's been doing quite a lot of cooking at home for about the last year or so. So we make lots of cakes and he helps with dinner and that sort of thing. So when we saw it advertised, we thought it was a great opportunity for him to come along.
Owner Susan Yarrow has been running the shop with some help from Karen for 9 years, and they've never been in such demand as now.
Some weekends I've had 250 children partying, and we now have classes every day for kinder, and we're soon to start up our midweek after school lessons.
Oh, all over my nose. Oh, beautiful.
I've joined one of the kinder classes today, and despite what it looks like, this is good, clean fun for mums and bubs.
Okay, now we're going to roll out the dough. Do you? Lots of eyes.
The average age in this room is only 4, but there's no doubt these guys know what they're doing.
She actually makes all of the very messy jobs. Dad has it, so she makes all the meatballs, meatloaf, does all the grating, cracks all the eggs. He doesn't even get his hands dirty anymore. So it's fabulous because it occupies her for a couple of hours.
And she's learning while she's doing it
Yeah,
too.
constantly, helping doing measurements and learning that there's steps that you have to take and I have to wait before we add this and that. So, but it's really good and the food she makes is fabulous.
Classes are $25 per session, and Susan likes the kids to be as hands-on as possible.
They will grate, peel, chop as much as they can, and parents assist. We make sweet treats all the way through to zucchini slice.
Well, today's specialty was pizza faces, and judging by their makers, it's a big thumbs up.
Yeah, those kids are whipping up a feast and wiping up the feast too.
Yeah. They had to clean up Jade after that.
Yeah, wasn't it good?
Yeah, it looked like good
It's a
fun.
good idea to get them involved in, eating good food too.
Yeah, indeed. Let's get to the